Hi, everyone. I'm Jessica Bates, Marketing Manager here at Sidco Filter, and I'm so excited to launch our new Sidco Sales Tips series. To kick off this series, Derek Darling, President of Sidco Filter, is going to share how he closes more sales faster. How are you today, Derek?
I'm doing great, and I'm excited to be here.
Great. Excited to have you. All right, so let's jump right in. What are your top tips to close more sales faster?
Well, I mean, the easiest and most ridiculously simple tip I have that will help sales reps on average close 27% more sales. And that's to just when you're on the phone call for a quote, ask the customer if the part number is correct, give them the price over the phone, a verbal quote for X number of dollars, and then say, if you like it, I can get that in the queue today and I have that on the truck for you for next Thursday or whatever day it can ship on. And then just stop talking. 27% of the time, the customer will say, yeah, let's do that. Customers, they don't want to get multiple quotes. It takes more time. It's a lot more work. So it's just a force of habit. And that's how it tends to go. But then there's this awkward scenario between buyer and seller where they send the quote, look at the quote, and you can just take that out of the equation. So the idea here is to simply say the price is so many amounts of dollars. And if you'd like, I can place that order now and you can have it by Thursday. Would you like to go forward? You're asking for the close and offering to prioritize it and making the sale easier for them to say yes. And that closes 27% more incoming quotes. It's just that simple.
That sounds like such an easy way to close a lot more sales. So who exactly should be doing this?
Anyone that's doing inbound sales can do this. And so it can be done by inside sales or an account manager that's on staff, or even if you're meeting with a customer face to face. But really anyone who's taking the quote and providing it to the customer should be applying that.
Makes sense. So we want to cover all of our bases and we want to make sure we get the sale. So can you tell us what could go wrong? What should we be worried about?
I mean, really the only thing that can go wrong is they say, I'm not sure of that, which, allows the sales rep to just demonstrate more of their expertise. Ask the customer, well, tell me about the application. What does it look like? And they might say, it's for my end customer, right? Or maybe they're a reseller. And you can say, great, if you'd like, we can do a 3-way call with them and we can work that out with your customer and make sure that we're getting them the right part at the right price at the right time. That's really the key thing, right? We're getting them the right part at the right price at the right time. So that's scenario number 2. So scenario number 3 is that they could say, I'm still not ready yet. I need to get more quotes, and that's okay. So it's that simple. Simple gets it done. Just go out and try this one. You won't go wrong.
That's great. So how do you like to close this out?
I want to close this out by saying this to all the sales reps out there, that this is a difficult time for us. Sales are only getting more difficult, and we're just not in the job to just fulfill orders. We're in the job to help customers get the right product they need at the right time and for the right price. So just answering questions isn't the best thing to help get the customer what they want. They need to get product timely and effectively, right? So, get comfortable with being a little more suggestive and treat them as if you'd want to be treated when you call for a quote. Sometimes we need to lead them a little bit. You'd love to get in the order and get it placed and done and get on with your busy day. And that's how they would like to do it too. So that's really how I'd like to leave it.
Well, I think those were such helpful and easy tips to help close more sales. So Derek, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
So there you have it. Derek's way to close 27% more sales. I hope you got some valuable information out of this and can start closing more of your sales. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next Sidco sales tip.